Today's menu is Hamburg Stake. Mix well. Up and down, up and down.
How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I'll show you how to make Hamburg, which is hamburger steak. It's very popular old generation in Japan. I'll teach you easiest recipe. It's good for cooking at home. Let's get started.
This is the ingredients today. Mixed minced beef and pork, 1 onion, crumbs panko, 2 eggs and milk, Worcestershire sauce and tomato sauce. At first, chopping onion finely. Like this size. Wrap the bowl. Put in your microwave. 5 minutes. The next is mince. Put into a bowl with 2 eggs. 80 ml of milk into the bowl. Put crumbled panko to absorb liquid and mix it. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Mix well again until becomes sticky. Until like this. Back to the onion. Use microwave instead of stir fry. Wait a bit to cool it down. Put in a bowl and mix it. Mix until this stickiness. Get a handful of meat and shape it. Remove air inside like that way. Up and down, up and down.
はい。
I'll show you one more. Up and down, with joy.
ふざけない。
Put oil into a pan. Cook it by medium heat. Put water and lid on and steam it until cooked inside. It's done, looks amazing. Serve on the plate. Make sauce in a pan with juice of meat. Put Worcestershire sauce, tomato sauce, put sugar a bit if you like. Put the sauce on it. Served with potato salad and mizuna leaf and tomato. It's done, all yours. Please try Japanese Hamburg Stake at home with your family.
Thank you you for watching my video and please subscribe me.